Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to enable autosave in Krita. To turn autosave on or adjust it, go to the top menu, Settings, Configure Krita, then General. Open the File Handling tab. Here you'll find the Enable Autosaving checkbox. Check it to activate autosaves. Right below that, you'll see an autosave interval with a number field. Set how often Krita should autosave in minutes to match your workflow. Lower intervals give more frequent recovery points. While here, you can also configure backup preferences like where backup files are stored and how many backups are kept. These are different from autosaves but also help protect your work. Once you have enabled autosave and set your interval, click OK to apply the settings. Krita will now create temporary autosave recovery files at the interval you chose, useful if the app crashes unexpectedly. And that's how you enable autosave in Krita. Thanks for watching.